Jupiter, a giant among planets, the largest in our solar system. It dwarfs all the other planets combined, a swirling world of gas and storms. Its atmosphere is a turbulent mix of hydrogen and helium with storms that can last for centuries. But Jupiter is more than just a beautiful sight. It's a dynamic and ever-changing planet with a magnetic field 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. It's a powerful force, shaping the destiny of our solar system. Its gravity influences not just its moons but also the paths of other celestial bodies. Its immense gravity acts like an invisible hand, guiding the paths of asteroids and comets. This gravitational pull helps to keep the inner solar system relatively free of debris. Jupiter plays a crucial role in keeping our planet safe. By capturing or deflecting potential threats, it acts as a cosmic shield for Earth and the other inner planets. Imagine the solar system as a cosmic dance floor. The planets waltz around the sun in a delicate balance, each following its own path. The planets waltz around the sun, while smaller objects like asteroids and comets zip around like unruly partygoers. Without Jupiter, these smaller objects would pose a much greater threat. Jupiter, with its massive size, acts as the chaperone, keeping things in check. Its presence ensures that the solar system remains a relatively stable environment. Without Jupiter, our solar system would be a much more chaotic place. The absence of its gravitational influence would lead to increased collisions and instability. Asteroids and comets would hurtle through space with reckless abandon. The risk of impacts on Earth and other planets would rise dramatically. Earth would be a much more dangerous place to live. Thanks to Jupiter, we enjoy a level of protection that allows life to thrive on our planet. Jupiter's gravity is a powerful force, one that dominates the solar system. It can pull in objects from vast distances like a cosmic vacuum cleaner, sweeping up space debris and asteroids that might otherwise pose a threat to other planets. This is how Jupiter protects Earth from dangerous impacts. By capturing or redirecting these wandering objects, Jupiter acts as a guardian of our planet. Asteroids and comets straying too close to Jupiter risk getting caught in its gravitational grip. These objects are often pulled into Jupiter's orbit or sent hurtling away. Some are flung out of the solar system entirely, never to return. This ejection process helps to keep the inner solar system relatively clear of potential hazards. Others become trapped in Jupiter's orbit, forming a ring of cosmic debris. These captured objects can remain in orbit for millions of years. This process, happening over billions of years, has cleared out a significant portion of the inner solar system's debris. The reduction in space debris has been crucial for the development of life on Earth. This cosmic cleaning has made our corner of the universe a much safer place for life to evolve. Thanks to Jupiter, Earth has been able to thrive in a relatively stable and safe environment. In 1994, the world watched in awe as Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 collided with Jupiter. The comet, ripped apart by Jupiter's gravity, slammed into the gas giant in a spectacular display of cosmic fireworks. The impact scars were visible for months. They served as a stark reminder of Jupiter's protective role. The comet, had it continued on its original path, could have posed a threat to Earth. Shoemaker-Levy 9 provided a dramatic, real-time example of Jupiter's influence. It highlighted the immense power of gravity and its role in shaping the solar system. Section 4. A double-edged sword, Jupiter's threat. While Jupiter is often seen as Earth's protector, its gravity can also be a double-edged sword. Jupiter can redirect objects towards Earth just as easily as it can fling them away. This means that Jupiter's influence is not always benevolent. The same gravitational pull that protects us can also send dangers hurtling our way. Understanding this complex interplay of forces is crucial for predicting potential threats to our planet. It underscores the importance of continued observation and research. Section 5. Understanding our giant protector. Jupiter, a celestial giant with breathtaking beauty, plays a vital role in the cosmic dance of our solar system. This gas giant, the largest planet in our solar system, has a mass more than 300 times that of Earth. Its immense gravitational pull acts as a cosmic shield, protecting our planet from potential asteroid impacts. As a silent guardian, it shields us from harm. By diverting or capturing many of the space rocks that could otherwise collide with Earth, Jupiter has played a crucial role in the history of life on our planet. But like any powerful force, its influence can be unpredictable. The same gravitational power that protects us can also send asteroids hurtling our way, creating a delicate balance between protection and potential danger. By studying Jupiter, we gain a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. Scientists and astronomers use advanced telescopes and space missions to explore its complex atmosphere and many moons, uncovering secrets that help us understand the formation and evolution of our solar system. We learn about the delicate balance of forces that allow life to thrive on our planet. The more we learn about Jupiter, the more we appreciate the intricate dance of celestial mechanics that keeps our world safe. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky and spot a bright, steady light, remember Jupiter. It's a beacon of stability in the ever-changing cosmos, a symbol of the unseen forces that shape our existence. It's not just a planet, it's a dynamic system of storms, magnetic fields, and moons, each contributing to its grandeur. It's a protector, a force of nature, and a constant reminder of the awe-inspiring power of the cosmos. The mysteries it holds continue to inspire and challenge us, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and imagination.